All right, Miss Pekka here, wanting to go over your project that you are starting on Wednesday the 12th. So, this is Make Something About You project. Basically, you have the creativity to create something that describes you or is like talks about who you are. So, this is just your opportunity to be creative, have some fun. If you like to cook, you can cook something. If you like to draw something. And then you're going to make a Flipgrid video. And I know this is the first time we're using Flipgrid, so I'm going to show you how to get there. You're going to go to My Backpack. So in your ClassLink app, you want to make sure you go to the My Backpack, and yours will look kind of similar to mine. And if you go into your class apps, Flipgrid is already there ready for you. So you just click on that app. It's going to ask you to log in. I'm already logged in. Just use your Google to log in, and you'll just record a response. And so you'll just click this here, and you will record a response for your project. In recording your response, you can also add a video, and you can do that. It'll give you some options here to upload a clip, or you can record your screen. So something to kind of play around with and give it a go. And I cannot wait to see what everyone posted. Don't forget, when you record your video, you need to share not only what you created, but also how you used math while creating your project. So you kind of have to think outside the box and tell me how you used some math. I'll highlight that for us. And yeah, that is what is due next Wednesday. I cannot wait to see all of your exciting work. Have fun, and we'll see everyone soon.